Hi and welcome back to a quick tip tutorial. I haven't done one of these for a long time, so I'm going to go over some old functions that I did before in Logic 10, but these are still in Logic 11, but they're now a bit different. So this is skip cycle. So when you've got your cycle here and you want to skip from here to here, you have now got this option here to turn it off and on. To activate that, you need to go into customize toolbar, right? And then up here you put custom. Well, like I do. You don't have to. You can have it on Beats and Project like you want, but you have to activate here, turn on. You have to tick the box skip cycle here, so it comes up as you can see there. And then basically you can arrange that the way you want to. And up here you'll see you have the choice of skip cycle here as well. And you can also hold down Command and turn it on that way. Just clicking on it by holding Command down. And so that's a really quick way to activate the skip cycle. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what to do. Like and subscribe, leave comments and all that kind of stuff. And I'll see you soon. Ciao.